Hi students, now I am going to explain you trigonometry 6 topic about compound angles. So what are compound angles? Like a plus b, sum or difference of two or more angles is called compound angles. Now let us go to find sine of a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Cot a plus b is equal to cot a into cot b plus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot of a minus b is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 by this is plus 1, this is minus 1 by cot b minus cot a. So what are the uses of these compound angles is, I told you I have given findings angles, specific angles of sine, cos, trigonometric values like 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Now we can find, let us take some example sums. We can find angles like sine 15 degrees, sine 75 degrees, cos 50. These are not specific angles, but we can find these angles by using compound angles. Let us solve an example. Find sine 15 degrees. So there is no specific value for sine 15, but we can write 15 degrees as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. We know specific value of 45 degrees and a specific trigonometric value for 30 degrees. So we can write 15 degrees as sine 45 minus 30. So it is in the form of sine a minus b. So what is the formula for sine a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we can write sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. So in place of a there is 45 degrees. In place of b there is 50 degrees. You observe here, in place of a there is 45, in place of b there is 30 degrees. By using this, sin a means sin 45 degrees, cos b means cos 30 degrees minus cos a. What is a? A is 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees into sin b. B is 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Now what is sin 45 degrees? Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into cos 30. What is cos 30 degrees? Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45. Sin 45 and cos 45 both are same. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So you simplify here, 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 root 2 minus 1 ones are 1 by root 2 into 2 root 2. As these are like fractions, we can simplify this as root 3 minus 1 by 2 into root 2. This is a sine 15 value. Similarly, cos 15 also can be found by using cos 45 minus 30 degrees. So we know these are specific angles. So by subtraction of 45 minus 30, we will get to 15. So cos 15 can be written as cos of 45 minus 30. Now it is in the form of cos of a minus b. Now what is cos of a minus b? See here. Cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. By using this formula, I will write first formula here. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what is this? We are finding here cos of 45 minus 30 degrees. So in place of a there is 45, in place of b there is 30. Cos a cos 45 into cos b cos 30 degrees plus sin a sin 45 into sin 30 degrees. Now replace these angles. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. By simplifying numerators, 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 root 2 plus 1 ones are 1 by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. So we'll get here these are like fractions, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 15 degrees. Now similarly we can find cos 75 degrees and sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees can be written as sin of 45 plus 30. So it is nothing but sin of a plus b form. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. In place of a there is 45, in place of b there is 30. Sin a means sin 45 degrees, cos b cos 30 degrees plus cos a cos 45 degrees into sin b sin 30 degrees. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. We will get here by simplifying numerator 1 into root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 root 2 plus 1 ones are 1 by 2 root 2. By simplifying we will get here root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is sin 75 degrees value. Now similarly we will get cos 75 degrees also. Cos 75 degrees we will get by replacing 75 as 45 plus 30. Now it is in the form of cos a cos of a plus b form. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we will get by replacing those values root 3 minus 1 by 2 into root 2. Students, I will stop my class here. If you like, please like and share my class. Thank you.